spent a lot of time looking out of hotel windows. I've seen the trees concave when the Colorado wind blows. I know the metro system inside out. Paris never changes. I know my way about.
Hi, welcome to my new video. I want to tell you guys an exciting news. Finally, I started Etsy store to sell my first enamel pins. And there are two different designs of pins. And if you guys are following my Twitter or personal Instagram or art Instagram, as you can see, I always take photos of plants and take selfies with plants and draw characters with plants and get many fake plants, and also there's fake plants here. And every Sundays on my channel they have fake plants or actual plants in the background, so that's why I designed the tiny plant kit. If you want to get my pins, please check out my Etsy store. I'll put the link in the down description box. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to talk about my experiences with how I designed the pins and how I ordered from manufacturers. Hi, welcome to my desk. I'm gonna explain it with my monitor. First, when I was deciding what I was going to draw for the pins, I worked in Photoshop first because I wanted to see how they looked. It was like sketching my imagination as an initial process. And then I drew them in Illustrator. When I work in Illustrator, it will be how the actual pins look in real life. When I contacted the manufacturers, I was thinking of 35 to 30 millimeter size, but they said that my pins sounded too big and I had to make them under 30 millimeters. They didn't explain the reason exactly, but I didn't mind modifying them much, so one of size was 30 and 22 millimeter and the other one was 30 and 27 millimeters. They were very small size, so I made them very simpler and I added 4 colors. The important point is that you have to add Pantone plus solid coated for bring actual colors. Pantone colors are hugely important for colors consistency. They allow designers to color match specific colors when they have designs that are beginning to enter the production stage. Let me show you guys where is the Pantone colors then. On my computer, I have CS6 collection. So I'm using CS6 Illustrator and Photoshop. So I open the Illustrator and go to Window and then click the swatchy libraries and then color books, and then there's Pantone solid coated. And you have to add only this color to make when you design pins. When I finished the drawing, I made a copy and made it black and white. That one was for plating, and plating means like the options for copper, silver, or gold outlines and soft or hard enamel pins. So my pins are gold hard enamel pins, and then it was optional to order backing cards. For me, I was thinking that backing cards and the pins could be my identity, so I decided to design that too. When I finished all process, I sent a manufacturing company my illustrator files in Pantone colors for pins, and also sent another files in CMYK for the backing cards. And if you're wondering about the pricing, it depended on what size and plating and soft or hard enamel pins and the number of colors. And if you want glitter or transparent or chains or more nicer back size, the price will be more expensive. And also I think it was also different depending on manufacturing companies. I tried to find somewhere who can make certain number of pins because it's my first plan to sell my art by myself. So I contacted 3 companies, and the first one was really ridiculous. They were fine to make 50 pins of 2 different designs, and when I checked the bills, it was almost $10 for making 1 batches and plus 10% of tax. And also they only make from more than 300 backing cards. When I heard that, I felt like I can't make enough profit and proper income to survive. So I just canceled that. And then the second company was like, they can make 50 pins of each different designs, but they can't help backing cards. That's all. And then I realized that it was hard to find companies that can make 50 batches anymore. So I decided to ordering 100 batches of each different design. Finally, when I contacted the last one, it sounded like the best. Making hard enamel pin was for 30 cents and making 1 backing card was for 40 cents. Actually, they had to include the gold plating price, which was for $80. And after a couple of hours, they contacted me back and they said they realized that they didn't include it in the bills. It was after sending me the bill and they didn't correct the bill again. It was really nice of them and very lucky to me. I think I made a really good deal. And 2 weeks later, I received my pins, and when I opened the box, I felt super duper happy how they turned out, and they absolutely reminded me my favorite color and favorite plants and my identity. So totally this project took 3 weeks. I want to say one more thing. I haven't talked about it with my boyfriend earlier, and he thinks the manufacturing price might be different depending on the countries. Yeah, and this video is about my experiences as references. So the manufacturing price could be same as your country or expensive. If you have never made pins, or if you are planning about design your pins and sell them, I really hope my videos are really useful for you guys. And thanks for watching and have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!